Hi guys, it's me. I wanted to come on with you and share 5 tips that you can use to support your favorite content creators on YouTube. I do have a Patreon and I also have a PayPal tip jar, so people do support my channel through those avenues, which I am totally grateful for. But I did get an email a couple days ago from this lady, a very sweet lady, who is not able to contribute financially, even though she'd like to. So she wanted to know free ways that she could support my channel and my content and kind of get the word out about my channel. So I thought it'd be really great to do a video just with all of this information for anyone who's interested in it, not just for my benefit, but also for all the other wonderful content creators out there who spend tons and tons of time creating wonderful content that all of us enjoy, because it is a lot of hard work. And I don't think people realize that, it's not just getting a camera and turning it on. You have to plan projects and you have to buy product and buy a camera, and those can be expensive, and editing software, which is also expensive, and maybe a microphone, and it's a lot of work. It's definitely something that you do out of love, because there's not a lot of financial gain through making videos on YouTube, at least not for artists, us people that do arts and crafts, and that, especially the smaller channels. I still consider myself a smaller channel, so yeah, so it can be difficult, and just these 5 tips will just help to support the content creators that you love, and just make it easier for them to earn just a little bit of money on YouTube, and also to get the word out about their channels, because there's so many amazing artists out there, and I just love to support people. So I hope that you will join me in doing that. So, and you can do it totally for free. These tips that I'm showing you are totally for free. So, this is a channel that I discovered, and it's a really, really wonderful channel, and I did subscribe to it. So my first tip is that you should subscribe to channels, but what goes along with that is that you should subscribe, because it shows YouTube that this person is creating content that you're interested in, that you're going to keep watching, that you're interested in everything that they're creating. So number one, because of that, and also it lets the content creator know that you like what they do, that you're inspired by their work, which is always a great thing to hear, But it's not enough to subscribe. That's great, but you should also hit this little bell here, and this is the notification bell. As you see, it says get notified of every new video, because if you just subscribe to someone's channel, you'll just get the things that YouTube think that you're interested in from the videos that they upload. So like maybe they'll think that I'm interested in just her art journaling, so they'll only show me videos that are for when she does art journaling tutorials. So if I want to be notified of every one of her fabulous videos, I need to hit this notification video, right? And it helps. Like, it's really important to watch the channels that you love, to watch their videos, or at least to know that they're there. I know our feed can be kind of a crazy place, right? I know mine is. So this just helps. And the wonderful thing is too, when you click this bell, I don't see all of my notifications. I follow a ton of people, and I watch a ton of YouTube videos, so I don't get to see everyone in my feed all the time, all their videos. Like maybe I'll go a day or two and just watch the people that I watch all the time, but there's other videos that I don't even know about. So what YouTube does it also sends you an email when you hit the notification button of when that person is live, that they've uploaded a new video, that maybe they posted something on their community tab. So it's just very useful to make sure that you click the bell so that you're notified of every video, not just the ones that just happen to just end up in your feed. So that is a great tip. The second one is to watch the ads on the videos. So YouTube has a bunch of different formats for ads, right? There's like the survey ad, there's the banner ad that kind of goes transparent after you watch it for a while. There's just a ton of them. So I'm going to see, let's click on one of her videos. I don't know if she's monetized. So let's find a channel that is monetized. So let's go here. right? And she's
Sticker Mule is the
monetized, right?
fastest
So
and easiest way to order custom
it's going to take
stickers.
30
It only
seconds,
takes a
so
few
I would
seconds to
watch it
order,
all the way
and every
through,
purchase comes with a
right?
free
So
online
it'll be
proof,
done in
free
like
shipping,
15
and
seconds.
blazing
And I could
fast
skip it, but
turnaround.
I'm not going
Each
to do
sticker
that.
is
I'm going
made
to
with a
watch it all the
durable
way through.
weatherproof vinyl that is
And
suitable for
she gets
indoor or outdoor
a
use.
percentage of the ads, right? This content creator. So when I watch her ads, she gets a percentage of it. It's very small. I mean, it takes like 1,000 views in order for you to earn, like pennies. So, I mean, it's not like, she's making tons of money from me watching her ads, but it does help, and it's appreciated. So make sure that you watch the ads, take the surveys. It only takes a minute, but it makes a huge difference, and that person does earn a little bit of money. And I don't know if you know how it works, but YouTube has videos, and our channels are monetized, and they run ads for companies, and if someone clicks on the ad or watches it all the way through, then that's how we get a small percentage of the ad revenue. So that's how it works. So it is important to watch ads. Yeah, and sometimes you get some that are like 2 or 3 minutes. Those I try to at least watch a few minutes of, and then I will, skip the ad if I don't have time or if I'm in a hurry or not. But these like 20-second, 30-second ads, or the ones that are surveys, I take the surveys, and I'm happy to do it to support them. So let's kind of scroll down a little bit. You see that I have the notification bell for this channel. I try to remember to do that. Sometimes I forget. So the next thing is to share the video. So if you go here to share, you click that, and it has all these different places that you can share. Right? And most of them are already connected to your account. So if you have a Pinterest account, it's connected to that. If you have a Facebook account, it's connected to that. So I really love to share people's videos. I primarily share them on Pinterest. Just because it's very, very easy to use. But Facebook is a great place to share too, not just like on your timeline, but also in groups. You could share this video, in a mixed media group or an art journaling group that you belong to. It helps a ton for us to get discovered, and just for YouTube to know that people are interested in our content. So that's a really quick and easy way for you to support a content creator. Pinterest is great too, because you can just pin them onto your board. So maybe you have like an art journaling board or a mixed media board, and people, all your followers, it will end up in their feed, and they can pin it and share it. It's a great way to share content. And there's, Google Plus and Blogger. You can embed videos in if you have a blog, you can email them, you can use all of these different places to share. So it's just a really quick thing to do, and it only takes a minute, and it makes a huge impact on channels. So that's another free way that you can support your favorite content creators. So the next thing too, I think that a lot of people overlook, is to like videos, right? Because that makes a difference on whether this video ends up in someone's suggested videos, so, or in search engines and that kind of thing, about how it ranks. So what happens is on the side here, there's all these suggested videos. Well, the reason why these are suggested to me is because YouTube knows that people like this video or like these videos because they hit the like button, right? So it's very important to hit the like button on videos that you love and content creators that you love, because it lets YouTube know people are interacting with this video, they like it, they're commenting, they're liking it, they're sharing it. So that is a really great thing to do. You should also leave comments too, because again, it shows the content creator that you really love their stuff. And it also, and if you can't comment, I understand sometimes I don't want to comment or I don't have time to, then hit the like button. That way YouTube knows you should suggest this videos to other people because it's interesting and I really enjoyed it. I don't give people the thumbs down just because, like, this person spent time making a video and I don't think that I have the right to tell them that I dislike their video. I will watch something else, right? So like if it's an art journaling page or craft or something and I don't like the way that the person's particularly doing it, I will go to another video and watch it, but I don't hit the thumbs down. And that's just a personal thing for me because it took time and it took effort and it took materials for someone to do that. So I just don't do that. But personal preference thing. And just to show you kind of how important this is, right? If you have two videos that are on the exact same thing and one of the videos has more likes, YouTube will suggest that to more people. So that's really an important thing to do. So I'm off of my soapbox about the disliking videos. So yeah. And we all dislike things, but I don't know why you would hit the dislike button when you can go watch something else, but whatever. And another way, number 5, is to add videos to playlists. So again, if we go here, right next to the share, there's this little button, and I can add it to my playlist. So I have playlists that I created, and I can click on them and add it to a playlist. And what that does is if people are searching maybe for art journal pages for beginners and I have a playlist, they'll watch all the videos that are in that playlist. And that really helps content creators because normally we put it on autopilot and you're going to watch all the videos, and it gives you really good watch time for the content creator, which helps a ton. So super, super easy way is just to make playlists of all your favorite videos and just add them in there, and watch them and let other people discover them and kind of have them organized in a great way. So those are my 5 tips for how to support your favorite content creators. Another tip too, that I don't know if a lot of people know about that, but if you use YouTube Red, we love you and we thank you, because YouTube splits that revenue with us too, and it's actually a greater percentage than the ads that we get split with them for too. So that's a really great thing to watch videos with YouTube Red, because you don't have the advertisements. I think it's like $10, but you really support content creators in a huge way. So thank you if you happen to do that. So that's it, guys. I hope that I helped you out a little bit. If you want to support content creators and just artists that you love, definitely art is not the most popular kind of genre in YouTube, but it's definitely one that's really important and one that I'm passionate about. So I'm super excited to share these tips, and I hope that you not only use them for my channel, but for all the wonderful creatives out there who create beautiful videos that all of us enjoy and truly appreciate. And I want to say a special thanks just to you for all your support, for watching my videos, for commenting, for sharing, because I see that you share on Facebook and I see that you pin my videos on Pinterest, and I truly appreciate that. And that's great, and that is just fabulous, and that makes me very, very happy and grateful. And for the people that take it a step further, that support me on Patreon and PayPal, I really appreciate you. And the ones for PayPal particularly, I don't get a lot of your personal information, so I can't send you an email or anything like that, but I truly appreciate you, and if I haven't said that enough, you are awesome and you totally rock. So I appreciate it, but I appreciate all you guys. So don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, let me know. And what are some ways that you think that you can support content creators that you love? And I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.